The council of Karapetyan and yourself from day one claimed that it's a political case.
Claimed what?
Political case. Could you draw a parallel from international practice, how such cases get resolved, and what are the parallels you see between Bagrat and Michael bishops and the cases of the Galstanian and Ajapaya?
Look, these cases get resolved when the government finds it inconvenient, or when particularly brave members of the government stand up. But there is no formula. There's no magic formula. Holding political prisoners is bad for the economy. It's bad for foreign investment. It's a terrible look for a country like Armenia, when it appears as if the executive is trying to exert pressure over the other parts of the government. So when the government believes there's too much of a political cost, then things can change. It's a calculation. Obviously, we will also be going to the European Court and other international institutions. But they take time. And our client is not a very young man. So it's important for us to move with speed. And as regards the bishops, I denounce these trials and these sentences, but I leave to their very able counsel detailed commentary.
What are the similarities, in your opinion, between the Karapetyan's case and that of the archbishops?
There are similarities and there are differences. The important thing to realize is the government has decided to engage in a wholesale defamation of the church. And to violate European law, Article 9 under the Convention, and there's a specific case on point, the Moldova case, where it's very clear the government has a duty to remain neutral in religious affairs. And the Pashinyan idea of taking over control of the position of the Catholicos violates European law and violates canon law. To understand so little about the Armenian church as to make such a proposal is frightening. I'm Jewish, and I know enough about the Armenian church to know what the word apostolic means, and to know that no lay leader of a country
որ հասկանամ, որ երկրի ոչ կրոնական առաջնորդը
with however many people he wants to appoint,
աշխարհիկ ում էլ ուզենա նշանակի,
could be involved in the choosing of a Catholicos.
կարող է ընդհանրապես ներգրաված լինել կաթողիկոսի ընտրության հարցում աշխարհիկ առաջնորդ։
Or else the church would not be apostolic.